So tonight I wanted to discuss what, in my opinion, is the ultimate carry pistol, the SIG P320 X carry. um, it comes with a factory 17 round clip. This is actually the 21 round clip extension. Uh, if you notice, the back of this grip is just beautiful. They got a straight trigger that's at about a 90-degree angle, fires at about a 90-degree angle, and it's very crisp. Very, very crisp. The sights on it are great. The factory sights on it are great. It's a very accurate pistol. We're going to go shoot it tomorrow at the gun range. So, yes, that's the SIG P320 9mm. Let me know what you think your ultimate concealed carry and home defense pistol is. Because I say add a flashlight, add a red dot, and this is the best, not concealed, but just carry pistol on the market for 9mm. My opinion only. Let me know yours, like and subscribe, and let's talk guns.